It's time to change the oil and filter. While I will show the procedure on my Benelli TRK 502, the general procedure will apply to basically any bike. Only the location of filter and drain plug will be elsewhere than on my bike. First thing, all we need to do is to remove the engine guard to gain access to oil filter, which is located here, and the drain plug, which is located here. If you have the original, this one is aftermarket, but the original engine guard have basically same principle. 2 screws in front, 2 more in back. Just unscrew them and remove the whole engine guard. Engine guard removed, you can see the oil filter and the drain plug. Before we drain the oil, I'm going to start the bike for a bit. And let the oil warm up. No need for long, just 1-2 minutes, so the oil change its viscosity and grinds better. Now when engine is slightly warm, you can carefully open the filling cup on the right side. Now to drain the oil, we need to remove this screw, and we will need number 19. So now carefully loosen up the release screw. And let all the oil drain out. Meantime, we clean up the drain plug. If you're not going to change the seal, sometimes you don't need it. Don't lose it. To remove the oil filter, you can use something like this, but it can damage the filter. So if you're going to do your maintenance more often, I suggest you to get the proper key which fits on the filter, and you can easily remove it and put new one back there. Now let's remove the old filter. Let also the oil drain from it. Now when all the oil is drained, clean up a bit around, and we can install new filter. Before installing new filter, take a bit of the oil and lubricate the seal around before installing. Now when this is done, we can screw the filter back. Tighten it gently, don't overdo it, or check your manual for the correct moment, but in general it's enough to secure the filter with your hand. Now if you're going to change the seal, the copper gasket, you have to take something to heat it up and dip it in water to make it softer so it seals properly. As you can see, I hope you can see, it changed a color. You can see the difference. Now after drying a seal, we can reinstall a drain plug back. Always check your bike manual for the correct moment, and if you don't have the moment key, just don't overdo it and don't let it too loose. After all it's done, you can clean the refilling hole and pour fresh new oil inside. If we change the filter, this motor will take 3.2 liters of the oil, and it's supposed to be 10V50. And use the funnel. Do not spill the oil everywhere. And if you don't have one, just stole one from the kitchen. But make sure it's clean. Okay, there is a small window. I'm not sure if you can see it, where you can check the level of oil. As I said, TRK 502 should take 3.2 liters when you replace the filter. So this small window there should be full. So after filling all the oil, take the closing screw, also clean it a bit, and since it's the rubber seal around, take a bit of the oil, just put it on the on the seal, clean it, and you can close the filling port. Okay, now we can start the engine, let it warm a bit to see if there is some leak around. We will check around filter, around the drain plug, and also check again the level of the oil if we need to fill up more. And we can mount the engine guard back, and that's it.